Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I hope you guys are doing great. My name is Komal and I post videos every day, are very new, very awesome and very nice. So if you wanted to know what kind of videos I do post, stay with me all the time so get more likely to involve in me. Okay, let's go and talk about today's video without any further ado. Well, guys, today I will tell you the FB account of Manushi Chiller. As you guys are already know that she is the Miss World 2017, and her post, her way of putting up the captions, pictures, each and everything is so you know blunder. Means each and everybody could go and hit a love on it. Okay, let's go to her FB account and see what the stuff she used to do in her handle. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so here I will search Manushi Chiller. Here you can see this is, I think, kind of real account of Manushi Chiller. Let's go and see what she has posted over here. You can see here are some of her beautiful pics. You can see, okay, so she has posted this pic 4 days ago. She has wrote the caption, I am clearly very funny, and that's not a joke. Prithviraj Akshay Kumar, she said, I am clearly very funny and that's not a joke. Okay, this post is something that she posted 5 days ago in a parallel universe called the past. Her beauty is something. I think I should call this girl like beauty with brain. What do you think, guys? Comment below and let me know. Okay, this is something that she posted 5 days ago. She wrote, and this is the part where I pretended this picture is from the archives of many decades ago. Hashtag vintage love. Look at this pic. This is so random and this is so beautiful. And I think that's a random click as well. She posted it 5 days ago. The quiet of the dawn in the noisiest of the city. So here you can see one of the beautiful pic that could be captured, I think, from a helicopter or rather with an aeroplane. So you can see, okay, this is a pic that she posted October 11. She wrote that Plumeria says hi. I think Plumeria might be the name of the flower, but if you know its meaning, let me know in the comment section. I think this is one of the nicest pic of her, and she had hit 53k likes on it. Let's go further. Okay, let's see. Here she posted 8 October. It is written over here is that 1 year family. Let's go and check out the pic. I think at this point where someone is standing is a she, I think, and it might be someone else. Like you can see the person who is standing in the reddish kind of clothes, it might be her mother, and next I think she is standing. This pic has got 1k like. I think that's so amazing when you are doing some or the other stuffs in a wedding series and the cameraman clicked that picture for you. I think that is one of the best and very beautiful pic of all time. And next you can see, I think they might be cousin, brother or someone, but they all are looking fabulously great because they are holding a smile. Oh wow, that might be a kind of photo shoot of her sister or maybe her relatives where she went by. I think that's one of the great scene. Okay, let's go further. Oh, here is a bride and groom. You can see this pic got 20k likes and 198 comments. That's really nice. Okay, this is the pic that she posted October 1. Here she wrote that part-time Romeo, full-time superhero. Happy birthday to the best dad. Thank you for inspiring me and always pushing me to learn. I only hope that I can be as awesome as you. Let's go and check out the post. Okay, in this post they might be serving kind of person from a kind of accident or some other stuffs. In the another post, I think this might be her father and this might be her mother, where they might be organizing some or the other thing. That's very great, and that post got 7.8k like. Now At the 28th September, she posted J I La Flemmy. I might be wrong by pronouncing it, but don't mind it, guys. And when I clicked on the translation, it has written मैं आलसी हूँ. Well, in this post, she is looking totally like that. I hope, guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope so that you liked my video. If you really find this video productive, go ahead and click the subscribe button, like my videos, and share some love on the comment section. I'll again coming with some or the other thing that you wanted me to make. I'll surely gonna go and make some of the other things. Till then, bye bye, stay tuned, stay home, stay safe.